Hi, I'm humbled and honored to be part of the amazing faculty at the Lundquist College of Business. Every day, we come together to challenge each other and our students. We explore and research new ideas and connect with industry and government partners to tackle challenges and facilitate amazing hands-on learning experiences for our students. To our hardworking students, keep up the great work. You should be proud. To our incredible industry partners, thank you for your dedication and projects. You bring the real world into the classroom in ways that motivate and excite our students. To my faculty colleagues, thank you for your excellent research, collaborations, and friendship. And to our amazing donors, thank you for believing in and investing in exceptional education at the University of Oregon.